Factorial is nothing but, suppose you talk about 5 factorial means factorial is represented by this sign or this sign. 5 factorial means you have to multiply reducing 1 till 1. Okay, no problem, Shreya. You are done now, no issue. Factorial 5, you can write as 3 into 2 into 1, 120. Okay. So these are the symbols for factorial. Suppose I ask you to calculate 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6. So all of you please calculate these factorials and tell me the answer, means write the answer in your notebook. Calculate the values and write the answer. Please calculate and write the answer in your notebook. I'll give you 5 minutes. Do it quickly. No need to. Okay, you can send. Very good. If you're sending, it's good only. Okay, very good. Why I asked you to calculate? Because oh, this much big it is coming. Oh, sorry. Okay, at least up to 5, 6 factorial, 7, up to 9, 8 factorial you can calculate at least. Okay. Because sometimes this value will be useful for you in future. So I am telling you to do one time and try to remember some of the values. And don't reverse it, okay? Sometimes people will reverse it. Instead of like this, they will write instead of this one. This is correct, okay? 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial 24, 5 factorial 120, 6 factorial 720, okay? This you calculate, go on calculating it, okay? Okay. So like that you calculate, it's okay, all the values. Okay. So one thing I want to tell all of you, some properties of factorial that is very important. I will discuss with you now. Okay. One very important property which is very useful is that if you want to calculate 7 factorial and that is equal to actually 7 into 6 into 5 na? Into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So basically this is 6 factorial, is it? So that is equal to 7 into 6 factorial. That means if you know the 6 factorial, you can easily find 7 factorial. Like that, if you want to find n factorial, then that can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. And sometimes if you know 7 into 6 already you know, then into what is the remaining 5 factorial. That also you can write. Is it? So same thing, n factorial can also be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Right? Even you can write any up to whatever you want. Okay, like that also you can, whenever you want, into n minus 3 factorial. So this type of this property is very useful property. What is a useful property? That is n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Right? According to the requirement, you can use this property wherever you want. Okay. Note down and raise your hand, please. Note everything and raise your hand, please. Note it and raise your hand. Okay. Now we can come to exercise directly because we have done all the thing concept. First question, exercise 16.1 in your RD Sharma. Chapter name is Permutations. 30 factorial upon 28 factorial. What you have to do is, this 30 factorial, you can write it as 30 into 29 factorial. And one more step, if you take 30 into 29 into 28 factorial upon 28 factorial. So this will become 30 into 29. This is the answer. Understand or not? Easy na? So I am doing questions so that you understand the strategy. Okay. Second question, you see. This type of question, what you can do is 11 factorial, you can write it as 11 into 10 into 9. And 9 factorial. 10 factorial, you can write it as 10 into 9 factorial upon 9 factorial. So you can take 9 factorial common. This will cancel. So answer will be 100. Understand or not understanding? Just note it down and raise your hand, please. Note it and raise your hand. Then we'll do next question. All are getting now? You getting the point now what you have to do? So next question, question number 2 or third subdivision. LCM of 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial. What you can do now? 6 factorial, okay, 6 factorial, let it be. 7 factorial, you can write it as 7 into 6 factorial. And 8 factorial, you can write it as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. LCM means what? You know what is 6 factorial? 6 into 5 into 4 into. So LCM will be, see here, LCM will be 8 because LCM should contain all the terms, na? This will be LCM here. Okay, this is understandable, right? That is 8 factorial, right? That is the LCM. Clear? Now you see question number 2. Prove that 1 upon 9 factorial plus 1 upon 10 factorial 1 upon 11 factorial is equal to 122 by 11 factorial. This also you can just solve by yourself. Okay. Simply you write it as always use a strategy. Okay. It's a strategy. Okay, understanding now? Okay, clear? Like that, you're. Now I have done enough section, I think. Okay, third question onwards, you can try. I'll give you free hand, otherwise you will not learn. Okay, so you try third question onwards, you try. But never fully expand the factorial. Try to convert the factorials into the smallest factorial and cancel them. Okay. Once you're done this, you raise your hand, please. If you're done this page. Try question number 3. One question I'll tell you, third hint I will give you. Okay. So same thing. Every question, same strategy only. Like that. You convert everything into smallest factorial. That is the idea. Out of this, which is the smallest one? This is the smallest one. So convert everything in this form. This is already there. This one you convert into this form. This also you convert into this form. So that it gets cancelled. So that your factorial working is least minimum. Okay. Your factorial working is minimum in that case. Calculation becomes minimum. Okay. Same way you try this one and send me your solution. X by 10 factorial equal to. Do it all of you, second subdivision. Do it and send me. And also third subdivision also do it. Okay. Both you do and then send. Okay. These are NCERT questions. Do it. Okay. So you are getting answer na correctly. Okay. 64 and 100, 164. Very good. Okay. You got an idea what you have to do. Okay. Good. Shruti also sent. Very good. Okay. Shruti and Mahalashmi has sent. Okay. Okay, good. Shriya, yours also correct. X equal to 100. X equal to 64. Correct. Okay. Okay, Gayatri. Yours also correct. 100. Okay. So all are understanding now. So next we will do question number 4. All are understanding over everyone for everyone. Nishant, Varsha, Vidya, everyone over. They also send very good. Okay. Over. Now we'll do question number 4. Gayatri also send very good. 4. Convert the following products into factorial. You have to convert into factorial. For factorial, you should have till 1. It's not there up till 1. So what you can do is, you can multiply with 4, 3, 2, 1 and divide it also by 4, 3, 2, 1. So what will happen? This will become 10 factorial by 4 factorial. Or you can do one more thing. You are having this question now. Simply multiply 4 factorial in numerator and denominator. Now this will become 10 factorial. This will become 4 factorial. Like that also you can do. Okay. Remaining you can try yourself and send me now. Second subdivision. 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 into 15 into 18. Now here what you can do now. Oh, like that they are given. So what you can do, first you take 3 common. Not common, multiply only. 3 into 3, this is 3 into 4, this is 3 into 5, this is 3 into 6, and 3 will come out 6 times. Then 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So answer will be 3 power 6 into 6 factorial. Okay, this type of question also there. Okay. Second subdivision. Please note it down. Then I'll tell you third subdivision. Okay. Note it, please. Note it and raise your hand. X equal to 64. Okay, good. That is 64 and 100. Very good. Okay, Nishant, everyone, very good. Solve that fourth one. Completed now? Raise your hand also, right? Now we'll do third subdivision. Now actually this is like now 2n then there may be 2n minus 1, there must be 2n minus 2, like that I'm going reverse only. Then someplace n plus 1 will also come, agreed? And someplace n will also come. So obviously n will come here. Then n minus 1 should come, but it's not there. You have to multiply with that. So basically you have to multiply with the n factorial and divide also by n factorial. So numerator will become 2n factorial, denominator will become n factorial. That's all. Understand? Okay, now. So fourth subdivision I will tell you. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2n minus 1, like that. Everything. Now here something is missing. Na? What is missing? Between 1 and 3, 2 is missing, 5 and 7, 6 is missing, 9 and everything like that, 2n minus 1. So here you can introduce 2, 4, 6, 8, like that you can introduce. And you can divide also by up to 2n. Okay. And you can divide also by 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 2n. Now numerator will become 2n will come last actually, not before. 2n will come after that, 2n minus 1. Okay. So numerator will become 2n factorial. Denominator will become factorial of 2n. Denominator you can take 2 common. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into n. So numerator will become 2n factorial. Denominator will become 2 power 2 into 2 into 2 n times 2 power n into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 n factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to n, that is n factorial, and 2 to 2 to 2 2 power n. This is the answer. This is the final answer. Are you getting it or not? Okay. So note down this one also and raise your hand, please. Note it and raise your hand. No, you can try now. So this is over now. Then question number 5th, you see. Question number 5th. Everybody done? Question number 5th, you see. 2 plus 3 factorial. Is it correct as 2 factorial plus 3 factorial? Is it true or false? You can yourself check. It is not true. You can check it yourself and tell whether it is true or not. 2 into 3 factorial, whether it is 2 factorial into 3 factorial, whether it is true or not. You can check yourself and find out. Okay. Check it and tell me both whether it is true or false. Check and tell. Write in chat box after checking. So check the, tell me the answer. False, na? Okay. Okay, it is false only. Both are false. Okay. Okay. So this way, always remember, don't do this type of things. Okay, it's never true. Mostly, it's not true. So don't apply this type of formula also. Okay, anywhere you just solve and check. Okay. So now next question, question number 6. You can check. Okay, 5 factorial is not 2 factorial. 5 factorial is how much? How much 5 factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Huh? 120. So 120 is not equal to 2 plus 6. That is 8. So both are not same. Here it is 6 factorial. Here it is 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Both are not same. Okay. This is 12. And this 720. Sixth question. Prove that n factorial n plus 2 equal to n factorial plus n plus 1 factorial. You have to prove it. Okay. I think you can prove now. I think you can do it. Why I'm doing, I don't know. But because of time scarcity, I'm doing it. That's why. Otherwise, so many ways are there you have to prove. Okay. You can do one thing. You can convert to right hand side into. You can write it like this also. Right hand side RHS. And you can take common here. Okay. Then answer will come equal to LHS. Okay. So many ways are there. You can do yourself. No problem. Okay. All the questions you can do if you really believe in yourself, because this same property that you use here and there in some way or the other. Every time question will be new. So you have to apply the property, convert into lowest factorial, cancel it and solve it. That is the only way. Every time in every question you are cancelling the lowest factorial. Okay. You are converting the higher factorial to lower factorial. Which lower factorial which is available in the question. Okay. Every question is like that. Okay. What? Raise your hand. So this exercise fully is your homework. Exercise 16.1 plus alt examples, example 1 to example 10 homework. Okay. Solve your remaining question you solve. Okay. 7th you solve. I'll give you 10 minutes, you solve it. Okay. 8th question solve. Same manner. 8th no need to solve. If you are able to do 7th, 8th you can do at home. Okay. Find n. Ninth also similar. Okay. So this is the last question we will do in the class. You do it and check. Send me, okay? After solving, send me. Question is this 7, don't write in the, this is the question, okay? So I'll give you hints here. You just do at home. I'll give you hint for all the problems so that you can just be comfortable. Okay. Only one hint, same hint for every question. Then you can solve at home. Okay. You multiply and cubic equation will come. Okay, cubic equation will come. You have to solve it. Array, it's not like that. Don't do like n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is your writing is a 5 into 4 into 3, and you are telling that n equals to 3. So you are seeing the hints also, yeah. I think so. You are seeing the hints also, but okay. But, anyway, not seeing the hint, na. I hope you are not seeing. Okay. So anyway, they are comparing and writing the answer. It's not very correct method, but okay. Anyway, and then question number 10th, I will tell you what is to be done. 10th also. 10th also, you do the same. Same method. What method now? You convert into the 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial. You get cancelled with the factorial below. This will cancel. Here numerator also. It will cancel with the factorial below. Like this. And also if you take 2 common here, then it will become n minus 1, 2 into n minus 1. Right side also n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial. This n minus 1 also will get cancelled. Okay. This n also will get cancelled. And then you can solve at home. Okay. So 10th question you will do like that. Okay. 10. I gave you hint. Now you try at home yourself. Okay. 11th question. This you have to prove. So what you can do is you can just write it 1 less dash 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 up to what will come before n minus r. N minus r plus 1 should come before that, right? It will cancel with the below one. That's all. Yeah, this is the answer. This is the answer equal to RHS. 12th question. 10th question, second subdivision. 11th question, second subdivision. You try yourself. 12th question. here what you can do now, 2n plus 1, 2n, 2n minus 1, minus 2. Then at some point of time, n factorial will also come, right? Finally, 2n minus n will come, right? Two n minus n plus 1 will come. Then 2n minus n factorial will come. This will cancel with this one. Okay. And these terms, these are even terms. In that you can take 2 to 2 common. Even terms, 2 to 2 you can take common. So that will result in 2 power n. And then n minus 1, n minus 2, they will give you n factorial from the even terms. And odd terms are written here, 1, 3, 5, like this. So remaining terms, odd terms. So like that here, actually, you want to try at home now, you can try, okay, one time. I gave you some hint. With that thing you want to try, you can try. Because straightforward, if I give you solution, there's no meaning of that, okay? Then this one, basically this is n factorial, this must be n plus 1, right? Should be n plus 1. This is n. This is n plus 1, now you can check that, right? Oh. Okay, you think and try, okay? I will also just give you attempt toward this question. Last question, you leave it. Other than that, you solve other remaining questions, okay? Last question, I will also think once more. Somewhere, it's some concept, is something is missing, but you can also try, okay? Just you have to simply, you have to, what we can do now. Just you have to reduce by 1 and 1 and check it, okay? Like that. That much only actually, okay? So up to n you have to go. This will cancel with this. Only remaining is this much only. In that you have to select only these terms. Two n minus 2. There, these terms which are even terms. Okay. Those terms you have to separate out. One terms. And odd terms you have to put separate. 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, like that. Okay. Clear now? Maybe they are ending with 5, 3, and 1, but that only I am not able to prove. That is, I am not able to think on it why it is like that, but actually it is like that only. So this one is 2 power n into n factorial, because 2 to 2 you will take common, it will come n factorial, and this is RHS. So equal to RHS. Okay, fine. So note it down this one and do the homework. Okay, homework is clear now. Exercise 16.1 and all examples. That is the homework. Note it and raise your hand, please. Complete it. Okay then. Okay, bye.